quick look at updates to my new ground breaker. On top of that PVC frame, I just used basic spray foam. I think it was some GE spray foam, a lot like the dry lock for cracks and gaps. Basically sprayed it on. Everybody knows how to do it. Hunter's best friend. Spray the base of the PVC with water. First coat. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes and then kind of form it. Let that cure, then did the second coat, and once it started curing, as you can see, I start pulling some of it down so it would take shape and have some holes. And I still needed to fill in where that noodle is on the plastic there with some more foam to go all the way up to the head. And then once I did, I might hang some liquid latex down from the bottom of the head to this and layer some latex on top of it as well. But that's the progress. More to come. Here's the last step of the process, I hope. Got the bust, the shoulders, another layer of spray foam, as you can see, all the way up to the neck. Just got to mold it some, do some latex sheeting that I explained before down here over that, and hopefully I'll get the same effect all the way down. Then I'll have to put some clothes on it and I'll have a ground breaker. I have final pictures and paintings and the steps so you can see the process. And then I left over spray foam. Of course, I can't waste it, so these two were my glowing skeletons that I used last year. Guys, a gift from my parents. Put them out there for Halloween and also use them for Christmas. But this year, decided I was gonna do a little something different. I started cutting this one all black, and then of course you see the spray foam that look like it's rotten in there. And same scenario for this one, all black. Then did some spray foam up in there and pulled it when it was drying, and I got, looks like it's rotten on the outside of this one, so it's a little different. And with these, once they're painted black, I'm going over them with a white wash to cover up the black. Not as good here, and I'll put some yellow too. So that's the first coat of white wash over the black. And I'm gonna darken up the joints stuff, but that's that. I'm gonna basically do the same thing with this, I think. So hope everybody's staying healthy. See ya. And this guy's hoping that you'll come back and watch some more.